कोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वदरुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. So these are the students here. Avantika ji, are you here? Because I heard that you are going to that class. Okay. Yes, that sounds good.
Are we going to change the venue?
Venue? You want to change?
Yes. It's like smaller or something.
You can come closer, why? I don't have to see you here. This is okay. Okay. I think Kumar, you would have revised, right? The Sandhi.
Yes.
I prepared some material and I have not prepared anything new. Whatever I taught in the class, the same thing in the form of a notes, okay? This may need some correction. I don't know. The typo may be there. I can give it to one of you, go through. If any mistakes are there, you let me know. I will correct it. Typos may be there. Sometimes in place of ash, I would have typed al or something like that. That's possible. So, there's some 30 pages are there. At the end, you will find a number of examples. Examples you have to work out. In the class we did, whatever we did in the class, it's all you will find here. This is worked out example. Rules are not written. Rules you have to find out the rules. We have worked out in the class itself, all these examples. All the Visarga Sandhi combined with Ach, both will be there. Right? These are worked out examples and this is you have to do. This also we did in the class. Everything is now I have summarized. And the challenging part is the last one. Find out the mistakes in the following. Did you give that, Kumarji?
Yes.
Yes. And you have to split this. How do you read? Tatas tasmad akashe varon chalamanas. So you have to split. This is for you. Splitting sandhi is important. So this is challenging. So this is where your knowledge of some sandhi rules is tested. Okay. So 19 examples are there. I think it is more than enough. If you know this, 2 more on that. Sorry? We didn't?
We didn't split. We didn't make example of
Splitting.
No, we mentioned.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
I'm saying you will do it. I'm saying you will split the sandhi. I will send the file, but before that I want somebody to check. Okay? I'll take a printout and give it to. Can you check? Just check one person, then I will send.
You can copy the pen drive and check also.
One person check, not everybody. Then if it is corrected, mistakes may be there. I also have to check, go through this. Now.
Sharon, I have one question. Maybe stupid or something, but because we don't have in the rules that you have given when I know that it's okay. It's
Not there in the rule?
I don't see it.
Really?
It means each and arch, it become like, I don't know which one is it.
Each? What is that?
Well, this is the way we have learned it, and I'm trying to understand.
Is it not there in the rule?
It is there. Which one?
See the rule, the list of rules, what I gave the summary. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa, it is given.
Padanta Sakara, but if it ends like Vishnu, Vishnu
Yes.
Agachati,
Okay.
then it becomes Vishnu Agachati.
Yes.
I know that, but I don't know which rules applies.
No rules actually. Visarga has come in the place of Repa. Visarga has come in the place of Repa. So therefore, when Vishnu Agachati comes, there are no specific rules. Right? The rules are there only when A or A precedes. When any other letter precedes, we don't have any rule. So what you have to do is, you have to go one step back. What was there in the place of Visarga? Visarga is born of Repa. Repa is Vishnu Gachati, what it may be. So you see here, I have written here, any letter except A and A, which precedes Visarga, followed by Ash. What happens? When Visarga is followed by Ash and preceded by any other letter other than A and A, then Repa has to be considered in the place of Visarga. Right? This is not a rule actually. This is not specifically mentioned as a rule. This is understood. That is why when I taught you the birth of Visarga, from where it was born, from Sakara to Repa, Repa to Visarga. So Repa only, Visarga has come. So therefore, you have to consider Repa there. And when you join, you want to join, then what will you do? Visarga is there, we cannot join. So one step back, Vishnu Gachati. That's how to be done.
Okay, it's clear. Just because the question is, what rule did you apply to do this? What rule did you apply? And when I come to that,
Only when rule is there, rule is explicitly mentioned. When rule is not there, then what was there? What is there? Just add. Here we are saying Vishnu Gachati. Yes, we are going to join this now, right? So in the place of Visarga, how Visarga was born? That's what one step back you have to go and see. Vishnu Gachati. If you are splitting it, Vishnu Gachati, Vishnu becomes one padam. Padantarepa becomes Visarga, Vishnu. The same thing reverse, right? Vishnu was there. What rule is here? No rule. No rule explicitly mentioned by Panini Maharishi. Clear? If it is any letter other than A or A, I, O, any letter, Visarga will be there. And just join them, Meranam after that. Right? Vishnu Agachati. Vishnu Ragachati. Yes.
There is another example. Punaha plus Atra. It is Punaratra.
Punaha plus
Atra.
Yeah, okay.
So there, how does it happen?
It's a different, what is the Punar, there, what rule you will apply? What is the form you are getting answer for that?
Normally, we should apply the Visarga followed by R rule.
Visarga followed by R rule. What you will get?
It will become U and then O.
But here, that is not the rule. We have got a separate rule for that. When you say Punaha, anyway, we have not seen that. So it is, don't worry about it. But since you asked, I will explain what it is. Punaha is Avyaya. Punaha is Avyaya. It is Punar only, not Punaha. Punar, Pratar, Antar, all these are Avyaya, ending with Repa. This Repa is different from the Repa which is born of Sakara. We will deal with that later. So you cannot apply Visarga, that Punaha Atra, Visarga preceded by A, followed by A, that rule you cannot apply here, because the Repa is not the same Repa. Punar, when you say Repa is there as part of the Avyaya. Whereas Ramaha Gachati, that Ramaha, the Visarga is there, which has come in the place of Repa, and Repa, that is a different. born of something else. Okay, so this rule cannot be applied. It is mentioned as a separate rule probably in some books. Doesn't matter. When we come to that, we will see that.
So how do you come to know that Santa is born of that or not?
When we study Ashtadhyaya, you will come to know. Otherwise, I have to deal with that. It will unnecessarily confuse you. Now, at this stage, not required. So when it's not required, I skip that. Not that we are going to skip it. We will study that later. Not now. If you poke me further, I will give some more information. Unnecessarily, it will confuse you. Not required. That's why I'm dropping it down. Okay, now we will get to the infant reader. Dwadasha Pataha. 12th lesson we have done. Right? Now, Dwadasha Pataha. The Prashnaha. You have to do Prashna, the exercises. Right? You can take your infant reader. See the lesson. Iha ke staha. Iha ke staha. What is the answer? What is the question? First, do you understand the question first? Iha ke staha. Staha. Staha is what? Staha. Asti staha santi. Okay. So you can keep some good pens and can remove the old pens. Actually not right later. Asti staha santi. So, sorry. Asti staha santi. Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam santi. Now staha is there. Staha is what Purusha? It is Pratama Purusha Dvivachanam. Staha is there. What is the, who is the Karta here? Or which is in Pratama Vibhakti? K.
Two things in Strilinga.
Huh? K. Can it be Pullinga?
No.
Because Kaha, cow. If it is Pullinga, cow will be there. But yes, Strilinga is there. The question K is there. So Ka K, right? It is Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Pratipadika is Kim. And the gender is Strilinga. Right? Similarly here, the Dhatu is Asdhatu, which belongs to second Gana. Don't worry about it. So K Staha. So therefore the Akanksha will be, the expectation will be, the answer will be neuter also possible, right?
Yes, Kim K.
Because Ka Ke Kaha is there, but we know the context. We are saying the infant lesson, where Petika is there, right? So we know the context, that's why I said. Otherwise, you can use Kim Ke. Kim Ke Kani, Ka Ke Kaha. Iha is Avyaya. Here. Iha or Atra. Answer is Iha ekam pustakam eka petika cha staha. Pustakam petika cha staha. That is the answer. Then the next one. Idam kasya pustakam. That is the answer. On the text. Idam pustakam. Idam pustakam. Kasya pustakam? Krishnasya pustakam. Asti. Idam Krishnasya pustakam asti. Right? Understand all of you? The next one. Krishnasya pustakasya kim mulyam? Eko rupyaha. That is the answer. Krishnasya pustakasya. You understand? Pustakasya kim mulyam. What is the price of the book? Kim mulyam. What is the price? Mulyam, mulya, mulyani. Kim ke kani. Right? Mulyam is the therefore Kim. Kasya pustakam, Krishnasya pustakam. Pustakasya, what is the price of the book? Pustakasya, Shashti Vibhakti. Can it be any other Vibhakti? No, not possible. It has to be only Shashti Vibhakti only. Pustakasya. Then, Kasmin Dvishatam Putani Santi. Santi. Kani santi. Putani is what? See the lesson. Pages. Putam pute putani. Putani santi. Dvi is 2. Shatam is 100. Dvi shatam. Dvishatam. Bhagavad Gitaayam sapta shatani or sapta shatam shlokaha santi. Right? Sapta shatam. Sapta is 7. Dvi is 2. So Kaspin Dvishatam Putani Santi Sabda Manjari. Okay, what is the answer? Answer will be in the Vibhakti. What Vibhakti? Adhikarana. Kasmin is what? Kasmin is Saptami Vibhakti. Therefore, the answer will be in Saptami Vibhakti. Kasmin, and you ask Pustake. What Pustaka? Shabda Manjari Pustake. Ramodanta Pustake. What may be the book? Okay. Shabda Manjari Pustake Dvishatam Putani Santi. If you understand this question, you can answer. Similarly, you can form some sentences and develop your Sambhashanam also. Correct? Understand up to this 4 questions? Then 5th one. Tava Pustake Kati Putani Santi. All these are easy questions. Kriyapadam is Santi. Kani santi, putani santi. Kati putani santi. Kati is avyaya. You have to write like this for each sentence. I am not writing, but you have to practice. You have to write. What is the shabda, what is the pratipadikam, what is the vibhakti, vachanam, dhatu, everything you have to do the analysis. So you have to write. Okay. Now, kati putani, kati is avyaya. How many pages are there? Tava Pustake. Where? Pustake. In the book. Pustake. Pustake Kati Putani Santi. And book belongs to?
Krishna.
You. Tava. Tava is the you. Tava Pustake. In your book, how many pages are there? Right? You want to replace Tava by Krishna. Krishnasya Pustake. Kati Putani Santi. Ramasya Pustake. Kati Putani Santi. Mama Pustake. In my book, how many pages are there? Clear? Bhavataha Pustake Kati Putani Santi. Bhavatyaha Strilinga. All these are Shashti Bhakti. Bhavataha Bhavatyaha. Right? Tava. Tava is not with respect. It means you. You are your Tava. Clear? This sentence clear? Then next one. Iyam Kasya Petika. Where is the Kriyapadam here? Petika, we have to supply. Atyahara. I mean, we have to supply. If it is not that, we have to supply. Petika asti. What? Iyam Petika. Iyam to be connected to Petika. Petika is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Iyam also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Therefore, Samana Vibhakti, Samana Vachanam. What is the relationship? Yes. Vibhakti is same, Vachanam is same. What is the connection between the two? Visheshana, Visheshya, Bhavaha. One is the Visheshana, other one is the Visheshya. That is adjective, substantive. Clear? So, Iyam Petika Asti. This Petika is there. Whose Petika is that? Kasya Petika. Don't ask Kasyaha Petika here. I remember, right? Whose box is that? We are asking whose box. It means the box belongs to somebody who is masculine. Nothing to do with Petika. Petika is Strilinga. So I will ask Kasyaha Petika. That Kasya, the answer is, it is expected Krishna or Rama. His box is there. Therefore Kasya Petika only you have to ask. If it is Kasyaha Petika, it becomes Ramayaha Petika. Clear? Kasya Petika, Arehe Petika, Krishnasya Petika, Guroha Petika. Depending on the word, Shashti Bhakti have to be used. Harehe Petika, Guroha Petika and all. Now the next one. All these are simple, but that's why I am not just rushing up. The next one. Kastam Kayam Kaya Udghatayati. What is that here? Yeah, tell me. That's what I remember. You asked me that day. I remember you asked me that day. That was the last day after. What is that? Now somebody can explain that. What is it? Start from the Kriya Padam. Start from the Kriya Padam. Udghadayati. What Purusha is that? See, when you first start with the Kriya Padam, what Purusha, what Vachanam, identify first. Now, Udghadayati. Is it Madhyama Purusha or Uttam Purusha? None. It is not you, it is not me. If it is you, Udghadayasi. If it is me, Udghadayami. It is somebody else. How many people? Only one. So, Ekavachanam, Udghadayati. Now, the question is, so Udghadayati is that, fine, opens. Kaya. Kaya is what? So, what Vibhakti Kaya is? Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya stands for what? Karaka. So, it means with something he opens. Something he opens. With what he with what opens. Who opens? That we have to find out. Now, Kastam is that. What is Kastam? Anybody? Kaha tam kaya udghadayati. This is what Sandhi is important. Right? Kastam is that Akarantaha, Srilingaha, Kasta Shabdaha, Kasta, Kaste, Kastaha, Kastam. No, not like that. So, Kaha plus Tam. Kaha plus Tam. Visarga. Back to the same Visarga Sandhi. You have to move on, okay. Visarga. Followed by what letter? Followed by? When it is followed by Kar, do we have to see what precedes? Remember. That's, you have to remember very clearly. Don't look for what the preceding letter. When a Kar follows, doesn't matter, not required. Whichever letter follows doesn't matter. Kar is that, fine. Then, what Kar is that among the Kar letter? Okay, what happens when the Kar letter follows? Visargasya Stane. That's what Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Kas. Then Tam. What will happen to now Sakara? Shtutva happens. When does Shtutva happens? Shtutva still confusion is there? Okay. When does Shtutva happens? When Sakara is in contact with Shakara or Chavarga, or Shtutva happens when Shakara or Tavarga. Here none of them. So just join that. Kastam, that is what is real. Kastam, right? Kaha. Now, Kaha Udghadayati. Now you see the question. Udghadayati. Kaha Udghadayati from the lesson? Yeah. Somebody opens. Kaha? What's the answer? Saga only is there? No, the book you will find the answer for that. Okay, Saha is there. Okay, it's a pronoun is there. Doesn't matter. Saha refers to Hari. Hari is there. The preceding, whatever may be. In the lesson, Arehe Petika is there. Therefore, Hari. Harihi Udghadayati. The answer is Harihi Udghadayati. Now, what is the further question? Kaha Udghadayati? Harihi Udghadayati. Tam. Tam stands for?
With what?
With what is Tam? With what is Kaya? With what is Kaya Udghadayati? Tam is what? What is Tam? Yes, Tat Shabda, Strilinga. It is the object of opening. Right? Sa te taha tam. So, object of opening is what? Petika. What linga? Therefore, tam is there. Now, Kaha tam kaya udghadayati. Who opens with what? That. With what? Who opens that? With what? Answer is Kunchika. Akaranta Strilinga. Kunchikaya. Kunchikaya Udghadayati. Kaha? Saha. Harihi. Tam. Petikam. So, answer you can write like this. You can write Harihi. Yeah.
Can you repeat the question, please? With what?
Kaha tam kaya udgatayati. Kaha udgatayati. Who opens? Kaya udgatayati. With what he opens? Tam udgatayati. That he opens. That is not a question. Instead of petika, he is using the pronoun. With what he opens that. Right? So tam stands for petika. So arihi petikam. Arihi petikam kunchikaya udghatayati. This is the answer.
Kaha petikam kaya.
Kaha?
Petikam. Tam or petikam?
Yes.
Kaha petikam
Petikam
kaya.
tam. The tam, the pronoun stands for petika. Dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. He is a karta. Karta is in prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. Kunchika is karana. Tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. And the kriya padam is udghatayati. Opens. Prathama purusha ekavachanam. Now you make it into bahuvachanam. I say udghatayanti. You tell me. Make the appropriate changes in the sentence. Huh? Udghatayanti, yes. Harayaha udghatayanti. Harayaha, many haris. Udghatayanti, what? Petikam. How? Kunchikaya. You ask question, you get the answer. What? How? Yes.
Harihi Krishnaha Ramaha cha.
Udghatayanti. Yeah, why not? You can say Harihi, Ramaha, Krishnaha, Bhartaha, Chatruna, cha. Everybody opens the box. Now make this also plural. Try. This also subject also plural, object also, and karana also. Everything plural. Make it. Harayaha. Harayaha petikaha kunchikabihi udghatayanti. Okay, this one sentence I will write all the forms. Right? You take, okay, I will type here. The same way you practice, it has, you have to practice writing a sentence, different vachanam, right? Different vachanam you have to write. Let me use the word saha. Saha udghadayati petikam kunchikaya. You can arrange the sentence, the words in sentence anywhere you like. Doesn't make any change in the meaning. That is the advantage of karaka vibhakti, right? The prepositions are built in. Right? So now. Sorry?
The order of the Ambaya, usually like what comes first, comes last, to arrange the sentence,
To form the sentence.
like to give a general idea.
Okay. You have Mundaka with you? Doesn't matter. With the example. Oh, okay, not now. 1 minute. Viveka Churamani, yeah. Viveka Churamani, before he asked, I have to study the shloka. I am not attending that class. Only Mundaka Upanishad.
Mundaka Upanishad is there.
Okay.
You want it?
It's okay. I have Mundaka Upanishad here. First, also do the reading practice of Bhashyam. Right? You have to be familiar with reading the Bhashyam also. Just reading. See.
Chanting.
Yeah. Om Brahma Devanam Ityadya Atharvanopanishad. अस्याः च विद्यासम्प्रदायकर्तृपारम्पर्यलक्षणसम्बन्धम् आदौ एव आह स्वयमेव स्तुत्यर्थं. Read fluently. You develop the good reading, you know. These words of this Bhashyam already familiar. Swamiji deals with the Bhashyam in detail. At the most, it takes only 2 or 3 lines in a class. You can do reading practice. And you have to know how to read it also. You cannot stop wherever you like. Suppose here, Brahma is equal to Parivradaha Mahan Dharma Jnana Vairagyasvatyaihi Sarvan Anyan Atishete iti. That is Brahma. Devanam Jyotanavatam. There we have to stop. Jyotanavatam Indradinam. Indradinam Jyotanavatam. Okay. Indradinam Jyotanavatam Pratamaha. Pratamaha is the next one. Pratamaha Gunaihi Pradanaha San. You should know how to read the Bhashyam. Every word is marked and the meaning is given. This is my notes, okay? So now take this shloka. Simple shloka. Brahma Devanam Pratamassambhabuva Vishwasya Karta Vonasya Gopta Sabrahma Vidya Sarvavidya Pratishtam Atharvaya Gyeshtaputraya Prahayata. You will find in everything in either lang lakara or lit lakara. Make it lat lakara. Simple. Now, Sambhabuva. What is Sambhabuva? Bhudatu only this is. Bhu is what? Bhavati. Sambhavati. Born. Sambhavati is born. So, kaha Sambhavati? Now you answer. You know the context now. Sambhavati. I'm starting the Kriya Padam. Okay. I'm making a Latlakara. You can write Sambhabuva also. Kaha Sambhavati? Yeah. Okay. Brahma Sambhavati.
We will adjust here.
Okay. Brahma Sambhavati or Brahma Sambhabuva. Okay. Let me write Sambhabuva. Otherwise you will get confused. Sambhabuva. Who is Brahma now? You see the mantra? He is the first among the Devas. Right? So, Pratamaha is what vibhakti? Now, Sambhabuva is Kriyapadam. It is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, right? It is Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Sambhabuva Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. So, it must have a Karta, right? Somebody is born. Who is born? Brahma. So, Brahma is a Karta. Brahma is what vibhakti, what Pratipadikam Brahman Shabda. We have not studied, don't worry, we will study. Brahman is Nakaranta Shabda. When it is declined in Napumsakalinga, it is Brahma, Sachidananda Brahma. When it is declined in Pullinga, it is Chaturmukha Brahma, Brahmaji. Brahma is Brahmaji here. Nakarantaha, Pullingaha, Brahma Shabda. So it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Karta is this is how you have to do. First Kriya Padam, then the Karta. Brahma Sambhabuva. Then see the other words in the shloka. Who is this Brahma? Devanam. Devanam is Shashti Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Pratamaha is first. First and Shashti Vibhakti. How do you explain this? First of the Devas. So, Devanam Pratamaha. Pratamaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now I am just writing Pratamaha. Pratamaha Brahma. What Vibhakti Pratamaha is? It is 1-1. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pratamaha. Pratama, first among the Devas. Devanam, right? What Vibhakti Devanam? Shashti Vibhakti. So, Shashti is Sambandha. Sixth case. Right? Devanam Pratamaha. Ramasya, Dashatasya, Putraha, Ramaha, Sambhavati. We say, right? Same way here also. For Brahma, we have got some the Deva, between the Deva and the Brahma, the Sambandha. Sambandha is Devanam. Devanam Pratamaha, Brahma, Sambhavuva. So everything is Pratama. Now some more words are there in Prathama Vibhakti there. Can you identify what are they?
Karta.
Karta,
Gopta.
Bhokta. Karta has got Sambandha is there. What Karta?
Vishwasya.
This is called Karmani Shashti. We'll talk about that later. Vishwa is the karma of person. So Vishwasya Karta. So Brahma is what? Is the Karta. And also is a Gopta, not Bhokta. Okay. Gopta. I'm just writing Brahma is Karta, Brahma is Gopta. Is the creator, is the protector. Creator of what? Shashti Bhakti, now it will come. It is Vishwasya. Vishwasya Karta. What Vibhakti is Vishwasya? Shashti Bhakti. So Vishwasya, you have to place it along with Karta. You cannot place it Vishwasya here. Vishwasya Pratamaha, meaning will change. Shashti Bhakti connected to the next word, following word. Similarly, Gopta. Gopta is Bhuvanasya. Bhuvana also is the same meaning only, Vishwasya only. What Bhakti is that? Shashti Bhakti. Bhuvanasya Gopta Brahma Sambhabhuva. This is a sentence. This is Anvaya. How did we form the Anvaya? Starting from the Kriya Padam. Who created, who does the action? And what is the object of action? Here there is no object of action. Right? With what he does the action? Katam.
So usually what describes the karta comes first. And
Karta comes first.
Then the kriyapada.
Yes. Karta you write first, then you write karma, then you write karana, then you write sampradana. The same order you write. Same order you write. Now understand this sentence. Now instead of Sambhabhuva, I said Sambhavati. That lakara. Right? Yeah. Bhagavachanam, sorry, yes. Devanam is Bhagavachanam, Shashti Bhakti, Devanam. Now, this sentence itself you can make it into short sentence. Brahma Sambhavati. Right? Brahma Sambhavati. This is one small sentence. Then who is Brahma? Devanam Pratamaha Brahma Asti. One more sentence. Devanam Pratamaha Brahma Asti. Asti is understood. Right? Then, and who is Brahma? Vishwasya Karta Brahma. Bhuvanasya Gopta Brahma. All these things you can, small sentences. Before making Anvaya, you can make such small sentences and then you can make the long sentence. And Bhuvanasya Gopta Brahma. Right? So, Bhuvanasya Gopta Brahma Asti. Vishwasya Karta Brahma Asti. Many sentences. Now, you understand this? Now, the second line of this mantra. What? Sarvavidya Pratishta. Praha. Praha is told. Make it in a latlakara. Vadati. Right? Says, speaks. Upadeshati also you can say. Upadesha. Upadeshati. Tells. Vadati, Upadeshati, whatever may be. Right? Now, Kaha Vadati. This Brahma. Brahma Vadati. Brahma speaks. To whom he speaks? For whom? What does he speak? What is the subject matter of his Brahma Vidya? So what Vibhakti it will be? Dvitiya Bhakti. Why? Because it is the object. Brahma Vidyam. Okay. Brahma Vidyam. For whom? Atharva is the recipient of the object. Object is here is Brahma Vidya. So what case it will be? Chaturthi. Why Chaturthi? It is what Karaka? Sampradana. Therefore Atharvaya. And who is Atharva? Jeshta is a Putra. Putraya Atharvaya. Putra qualifies Atharva. So Brahma, Brahma Vidyam, Putraya, Atharvaya, Both are same. Visheshana, Visheshya. Yeah, the adjective. Atharva is the son. Jeshta Putra. And here it is eldest son. Yeah.
This spelling mistake with Brahma Vidya, like M.
Jeshta, sorry?
Just spelling Brahma Vidya. Braha Vidya means Brahma.
Kutra.
There.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Fine. So Brahma vadati, Brahma Vidyam vadati, Jeshta Putraya Atharvaya vadati. Jeshta Putra is the qualifier for Atharva. Who is Atharva? He is the eldest son, right? What does he speak? What does he teach? Brahma Vidyam. And one more word is in the mantra. That is also the Visheshana, adjective for Brahma Vidya. So, Sarva Vidya.
So the Visheshana always comes
Before, yes.
before
Yes.
that thing that is qualified.
Yes. Visheshana comes first before the Visheshya. Visheshya is substantive, Visheshana is adjective. Now, Brahma is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. You can mark like this. And Vadati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. And Sarva Brahma Vidyam is the karma. Therefore, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That is Visheshya. And this is Visheshana. That is also same. So, between Visheshana and Vishya, you see, same Vibhakti, same Vachanam. Clear? Atharvaya. Atharvaya is what? The Chaturthi Bhakti, Sampradana Karaka. Chaturthi Bhakti, Ekavachanam. Jeshta Putra is a Visheshana, adjective, Chaturthi Bhakti, same Vibhakti, same Vachanam. Clear? This is how you have to make for all the mantras. Simple mantra. Swamiji gives the Anvaya. This is how Anvaya is made. Right? So one mantra we did. Now we'll move on to the lesson. Come on. So every mantra you can do like this. It is very interesting to do it. Make it a simple, break into simple sentences. Then connect it. It's very simple really. It's not that much difficult. First you write a sentence with the karta. Second sentence you write with the karma. Third sentence you write with the karana. Then finally you get a sentence with all the karakas fit in. Right? And when you do this, Visheshana you have to place before the Visheshya. That is one thing. And Shashti Bhakti should be placed with what it is connected. That you cannot jumble it. If you know these rules, any text you can do the Anvaya. Right? Sometimes Kriya Padam is not there, some words are not there, we supply. Because in the shloka everything need not be there, because that is a shloka. Mantra need not be there, in shloka also sometimes need not be there. We have to supply. Right? Many times we supply the Kriya Padam asti. Yam, we saw Yam Kasya Petika. Where is the Kriya Padam? We are supplying asti. Same way, yes.
So when there are two adjectives describing the karta, then we can use either way. Any adjective can be used first.
Two adjectives, yeah. Two adjectives.
Sharanji, can the verb
Ayodhyayaha Raja, 1 minute, okay. Ayodhyayaha Raja, Dashatasya Putraha Rama. Both are Rama only. Right? I can use anywhere you like. Yes.
can we say Brahma Vadati and the rest? Can the verb goes after the subject, like in English?
Verb goes after the. Say again.
Brahma Vadati, like if it's Brahma Vadati, Sarva Vidya Pratishtam, Brahma Vidyam, Jeshta Putraya, Artha.
You write like that, no problem. But you have some format. When generally Kriya Padam comes at the last. You maintain some order. This is how. Meaning doesn't change. This is right, this is wrong. There is nothing like that. Okay. Kriya Padam generally comes at the last.
Okay, it can be like in English.
Yeah, but it can be placed anywhere. It's not going to change the meaning. Brahma Vadati Sada Vidya Pratishtam Brahma Vidyam Yeshta Putraya Atharvaya. You can write.
Okay, but in
No
one
problem.
Anvaya, we'll try to place the verb at the end.
Yes, but you follow this so that it will be clear. Right? First started with the Kriya Padam, added Karta, and one by one we are inserting, pushing away the Kriya Padam at the end. That's it. Now, lesson. Kunchika Kasya Kare Vartate. If you have any problem with Anvaya with any mantra, you can ask me later. I'll do it. Yes.
Harivarne
Vartate, which is a Kriya Padam. Vartate is a Kriya Padam. Asti. Now, what is the Karta, Prathama Bhakti? Which is the Prathama Bhakti? Kunchika Vartate. Ki is. Kunchika Vartate. Kutra Vartate? Huh? First you answer only that specific question, okay? Kutra Vartate? Kare Vartate. Now you can ask whose and all. Kasya Kare Vartate? Arehe Kare Gopalasya Kare Va or Vartate. Right? Clear? Next one. Mama Vayam Padabhyam Yathochitam Vakyani Purayata. What do you understand by this? Yatha Uchitam. Yeah. Yatha Uchitam, what happens? Yes. Uchitam is that which is aptly, suitable, applicable. Yatha Uchitam, Yatho Uchitam. What sandhi? Yatha Uchitam. Yataha Uchitam. Kutra asti yataha Uchitam. It's guna happens. See, where is Visarga? There is no Visarga. And Yata is Avyaya. Yata and Uchitam. Right? What happens? Yata, A plus U. Gunasandhi. Yato Chitam. That's what is here. Yata is Avyaya. Avyaya is where is Visarga? Huh? Yata is as. Uchitam is aptly.
Appropriate.
Appropriate, that's the meaning. Yato Chitam is appropriate. Yatha Uchitam. We cannot find, they say, the meaning of Yatha alone. That depends on the concept. See, for example, Yatha Guruhu Tata Shishyaha. As the Guru, so the disciple. There Yatha is as, Tata, so. But here Yathochitam is appropriate, apt, suitable. That is the meaning. Yathochitam. Uchitam, yeah.
There is one sentence, Tata Yata, just as humans, Brahmaji is not unlike.
What's it? Sentence?
Tata
Where is it? Where is it?
How it is explaining Sarvabhuva, Samyak Utpannam, Samyak Swatantrena.
Yata Manushyaha Sambhavati Tata Dharmaji na Sambhavati na Karmapala Vashat Swatantriyena Sambhavuva. As human beings are born, they are born with Karmapala. Human beings are born out of Karmapala, but Dharmaji is not like that. So, there. So, comparison between the two. Comparing or showing the similarity also. Yata Raja Tata Praja. Yata Mata Tata Putraha or Putri. As the mother, so the child. So, here, Yata Vrikshaha Tata Yata Bijam, Tata Vrikshaha Tata Yata Vrikshaha Tata Phalam. As the tree, so the fruit. So, we can say. Yata Samskrta Acharya Tata Shishya. Right? Okay, then. Now we have to find out the Kriya Padam here. Mama Vayam Padabhyam Etochitam Vakyani Purayata. Which is the Kriya Padam here? Purayata. What did you say? Kaksha. Oh, okay. Purayata is the Kriya Padam. Lot Lakara. It is load. Purayata you see here. Second one. Purayata. Load in the sense of command, in the sense of request. You say, Agachatu. Kripaya agachatu. Please come. Gachatu. You please go. Or a command also. Go. Can say. Request also. Upavishatu. Two will be there for Ekavachana. Right? I'll give you some simple because sometimes we use the comes in the class. One word I will write. Bhavatu. Sukham bhavatu. Sarve bhavantu sukinaha. Bhavantu sarve sukinaha bhavantu. May everybody lives happily. Bhavantu. It's a benediction. It's a wish also. For wish also, lot lakara. We'll see that later. So bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. Pratama Purusha, like lat lakara, this is lot lakara. Pratama Purusha ekavachanam, dvivachanam and bhagavachanam. Right? Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. Then bhava, bhavatam, bhavata. What Purusha is that? Bhava. Madhyama Purusha, ekavachanam. It is addressing Bhava, ekavachanam, bhavatam, dvivachanam, bhavata, bhagavachanam. If it is me, Bhava, Bhavani, no, Bhavani, Bhavava, Bhavama, not Maha, okay. Bhavava, Bhavama only. If you put Visarga, it becomes Latlakara. Visarga is not there. Now, the same way, Bhavata is replaced by another Dhatu. Okay. Purayata. Lotlaka. Bhagavachanam. Purayatu. Purayatam. Purayantu. Puraya. May you fill up. Purayatam. May you too fill up. Purayata. May you all fill in the blank. That is the exercise, right? Purayata. Purayani. Agam jalam purayani. I fill with the jalam. Purayani. Purayava. Purayama. May I jalam purayani. Which dhatu? Pur dhatu. Pur dhatu. Pur. It's in 10th gana. Yes. So Pura will be the, you can check the, I don't know what is the Itha letters, you can check, it will be the 10th gana. So Pura Yata, fill in. Bhagavachanam. Pura Yata is Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam, addressing second person. Now that is what is here, Pura Yata, right? Now, may you fill in what?
With mama or vayam, my or pronoun.
Now, see, Purayata, who is a karta?
You are.
What is the word? Vayam? Yes. Yuyam. Understood? Karta is Yuyam. Yuyam Purayata. Right? See, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Tvam, Puraya, Yuvam, Purayatam, Yuyam, Purayata. So, Purayat, first you have to find out the Karta. Okay? Karta is what? Yuyam. It is not there, not required. The Kriyapatam itself tells you who is a Karta. What Purusha is Karta? Pratama Purusha, or Madhyama Purusha, or Uttama Purusha. Right? Should be mentioned Yuyam? Not required. Right? So, Yuyam Purayata, you all fill what? What is Vakya there? What Karaka is there? When I ask you what Vakya, you tell me the Karaka. Huh? It is Karma Karaka. Karma, object of filling is the Vakya, sentences. Yuyam Vakyani Purayata. Vidya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. You all fill in the sentences. Yatochitam. Avyaya, with appropriate. Appropriately. Fill in the sentences appropriately. Then how do you fill? What is Padabhyam now? What Vibhakti is that? And therefore what Karaka? Pada is what? Word. Padabhyam is two words. What are those two words? Mama and Vayam. Using these two words, with the two words, That's karana. I mean, it's just something is given for you to fill in with that. Padabhyam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Dvivachanam, 3-2. Mama vayam padabhyam etojitam vakyani purayata. Yuyam sarve, you all. Understand? This is the meaning. Now, first sentence. Dash dhanam abaranani cha petikayam rakshamaha. Now tell me. Vayam. Rakshamaha is there. Therefore, vayam must be there. Vayam rakshamaha. Kani? Then?
Dhanam cha abaranam cha.
Dhanam abaranani cha. Wealth and ornaments. Kutra asti? Petikayam rakshamaha. Okay, petikayam rakshamaha. Vayam dhanam abarani cha petikayam rakshamaha. Next one. Malati dash. Huh? Kani. Yes. Kani is what? Object. Vayam dhanam rakshamaha. Vayam abaranani rakshamaha. Right? Okay. Second one. Malati dash griham agatya veenam shikshayati. Now. What is shikshayati? Teaches. Kaha ka shikshayati? Malati is the karta. Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Malati shikshayati. Kam shikshayati. Veena is what? You can say karma. You can use Samskrtam words and both. Karma and vibhakti. Tell together. Veena, Malati, Veenam shikshayati. Rama shabdavat. Veenam shikshayati. Okay. Griham agatya. Okay. Griham agatya is that you don't know. That's Melanam has happened. Griham agatya. We will see what agatya later. It is from the gam dhatu. It is from the gam dhatu. It's an avyaya. Okay. Some pratyaya is added. We will see that later. The meaning is having come to the home. Having come home. Right? That's the meaning. Having come home. Malati Veena Shikshayati. Now, what you will fill in the blanks? Whose house? Mama Griham Agatya. Coming to my house. Having come to my house, Malati Veena Shikshayati. Right? Agatya is Gam Dhatu. From Gam Dhatu we can derive this form. Agatya. The translation will be having come. Having come. That's the meaning. Right? Gatva also you can say. Yeah. Griham. Mama Griham Agatya. Yes. Karma. Not karma. Mama Griham Agatya. It's karma. Yes. It is karma only. Mama Griham Agatya. Griham is the karma. For what? Huh? Tell me. Then karma is that must be connected to some action. What is the action there?
Shows when it's happening.
No, agatya.
Griham is connected. Huh?
Where?
Having come. There come is there. For that the karma is Griham. Clear? Even though Agatya is avyaya, but it is an action, okay? Having come, and for that the karma is, Griham is a karma. Having come to the class, I study Samskrtam. Having come where? To the class. Class is the object. Then I learn Samskrtam. Learn is the Kriyapadam. So, I learn Samskrtam. Samskrtam is the object for learning. Having come, that for that, the object is the class. Right? So, two kriyas are there. Two actions are there. Shikshayati and agacchati. I am making it a present tense now. Agatya is what? Agacchati. Two kriya padams are there. Shikshayati, for that Veena is the karma. For agamana kriya, For that karma is griham. Please understand. Understand clearly? You cannot say Malati griham veenam shikshayati. You cannot say. Griham veenam both are karma, but the kriya padams are different. They are connected to different action. Clear? Patam means lesson. Patam patitva bhojanalayam gacchami. Gacchami. Kaha gacchati? Bhojanalayam gacchati. Aham gacchami. Aham kutra gacchami? Bhojanalayam gacchami. Aham bhojanalayam gacchami. How? After reading the lesson, having read the lesson, patam patitva. Reading is that, for that the karma is patam. And for going, the karma is bhojanalaya. So, two kriyas are there. Right? So, you have to know the which karma for which kriya. You cannot swap it. If you say Malati, Mama, Veenam agatya griham shikshati. You cannot make it. You have to fix it appropriately, the karma. Clear? Yes. Now, next one.
Cha is not necessary.
Cha is not necessary, no. Griham agatya veenam Samskrtam cha shikshayati. There it is required. She teaches, Malati teaches Veena and Samskrtam.
Not between two sentences. Not between two sentences.
No, not between the two sentences. If there are more than one, either karta or karma, then you can use cha. Third one, dash griham. Okay, nadyas tire. You have to split now. Vartate. Yeah. First you have to know the meaning. First you have to understand that word. What is nadyas tire? Is there any word nadyas tire? One word. Is meaning is given in a book? Tira means bank, shore. Shore, bank of the river. That's called tira. Tira or tata, many words are there. Tira, yes. Tira is pullinga. Tata also. What is nadyaha? Nadyaha was vibhakti. Nadyaha of the bank, of the bank. Okay, that's fine. But Shashti Bhakti, just Nadyaha, what vibhakti is that? Shashti Bhakti. So Nadyaha word is there or not? Nadyaha, it is there. First you have to spot that. Yes, Nadyaha, the word is there. Shashti Bhakti, Bhagavachanam. Sorry, Nadyaha, Nadyoho, Nadinam, Ekavachanam. Now, dash griham, Nadyaha tire vartate. Vartate is what? Asti. Is. What is? Griham asti. Kutra asti? Tire asti. Tire is on the bank. It is there. Griham is there. House is there. What bank? Whose bank is that? Bank of what? Nadyaha tire. So, house is on the bank of the river. Now, whose house is that?
Bank of what?
Sorry?
Bank of what? How you ask that? Nadia.
Nadyaha tire is there. Kasyaha tire. Tritiya, sorry, Chaturthi Bhakti. Shashti Bhakti, Strilinga. Nadyaha kasyaha. Kasyaha tire vartate. Okay, kasyaha tire kim vartate? Griham vartate. Kasya griham? Mama griham. Right? Then, understand? All of you. Kasya griham. Mama griham. Which one? Kasya. Kasya both Pullinga also is there, Napumsakalinga is there. And Mama is for all the Linga it is same. So therefore it depends.
Tire, which shabd is?
Tira. Tiram. Tirani. I think it's Pullinga. Anyway, that is. Tiram, Tire, Tirani. Possible, could be Napumsakalinga also. But to my knowledge, I think it is Pullinga. But Tire is that, what Vibhakti is that? Saptami Bhakti. This, from Tritiya Bhakti onwards, it is same. Therefore, it's very difficult to find. Tira. It is Pullinga, to my knowledge. You have to check. Dash patan itakalam patamaha. Now, patamaha is mama patamaha, it won't be there. Not possible. When you say mama means something asti only. Mama pustakam asti, mama duravashanam asti. So mama is there, can't be patamaha. Patamaha is there, therefore vayam is understood. Vayam patamaha. Okay? Vayam can't patamaha. Pathan. Pata is lesson, object. Yatha kalam. Yatha kalam means Yatha kalam. Kalena. On time. On time. Yatha kalam. On time. Yatha kalam is yathochitam. The same way. Yatha kalam. I read on time. Aham. Vayam patan yatha kalam patamaha. Satyam va? I'm asking you. Do you all read the lessons on time? Do you all do the homework on time? Yatha kalam. Vayam na patamaha. Okay. Which one? Yatha kalam is one word. It's an avya. It's an adverbial.
It means right time, is it?
Huh? Yatha kalam.
At the right time.
Yeah, I read in keeping with the time. That is timely study. I read, what's in English? On time. I said on time. I read on time. Yatha kalam patamaha. I don't read in the afternoon, sleeping time. I read in the morning, good time, and read in the evening. Not before going to bed. That too Samskrtam, no. Now, asdhatu. Asdhatu is to be, important dhatu. Asti staha santi, asi staha sta, asmi smaha smaha. So we know this, right? Remember this. Asdhatoho lat rupaihi vakyani purayata. What is the meaning of this?
Using the aldatu.
Purayata. Let. Now, purayata. What is the karta? Yuyam. Yuyam purayata. What? What do you fill up? Vakyani. Karma. Yuyam vakyani purayata. How? With what? Let rupaihi. Let rupaihi vakyani purayata. With the forms of let. With the forms of let. Vakyani purayata. And what is that let? Which let you are talking about? Which dhatu? As dhatoho. Of the dhatu verb. So using the let forms of the dhatu as, you all fill up the sentences. Clear? When you can analyze this sentence, the same way mantra also can be analyzed. Any shloka also can be analyzed. Yes. As dhatoho is one word, okay? Shashti vibhakti, yes. Dhatu shabda. Groho, dhatoho. Now, first one. Iha dvau ashvau dash. What will be? Staha. Ashvau is there. It is pratham purusha. Ashvau staha. Dvau ashvau pullinga. Dvau ashvau staha. Iha is here. Right? Simple. Then, vayam chatvaraha bhrataraha dash. Santi? Vayam smaha. We are 4 brothers. Vayam smaha. If you say santi, chatvaraha bhrataraha santi, 4 brothers are there. Then how are you going to connect with vayam vikti kriyapada? Vayam smaha. Chatvaraha means 4. Bhrataraha is Bhrata, Bhratarau, Bhrataraha. Prathama Vibhakti, Bhaguvachanam. Chatvaraha is Bhaguvachanam. Prathama Vibhakti, Bhaguvachanam. Those are numbers. Numbers we will see later. Don't see that now. From number 3 onwards, every numbers are Bhaguvachanam. Okay. So with this lesson is done. Any doubts in this?
In the question, third question,
Graham.
But Graham is their object,
Hmm?
karma.
What is?
Graham is karma there.
Graham is the,
Not that karma.
Graham is, see,
Graham.
Graham is not the karma. Graham is the karta there. Graham vartate. Mama graham vartate. Kutra vartate. Tire vartate. Kasyaha tire vartate. Nadyaha tire vartate. You ask everything in Samskrtam. You get used to that. You can easily form these sentences. You find difficult to ask in Samskrtam? Huh? That abhyasa you have to do it. Take each sentence, practice that. Then only you will start thinking in Samskrtam. Otherwise, you will always connect with the English, of, with, by, that won't help.
Then it shouldn't be
No.
Kim.
Huh?
It shouldn't be Kim there. Kasya where Kasya.
No. Now, vartate. Vartate is asti. Kim asti? Graham asti. Whose house is that? Kasya graham vartate. Mama graham. Bhavataha graham. Bhavatyaha graham. Acharyacha graham. Right? Guroha graham.
Kasya Graham.
Therefore, Shashti Bhakti. See, ask question like this. Vartate. Kim vartate? I am asking Kim. Why? Because I know graham is Napumsakalinga. If it is Pullinga, Kaha vartate. If it is Strilinga, Ka vartate. Ask like this. Get the answer. Ka vartate. Then Kim vartate here. Graham vartate. Kasya graham. Mama graham. Kutra. That is Adhikarana. Tire. Kasyaha tire. Adhyaha tire. Knowing the answer, I am asking the question. Right? Ask like this, you get the answer. Start thinking in this line, Samskrita line. Don't try to always connect with English. Then you won't be able to pick up this quickly. Difficult. Always you will think about the prepositions, what with is there, by is there. No. Always it is not like that. Even when you do translations, if with or by is there, don't tritiya bhakti. No. Is it karana? Then tritiya. If it is a hetu, then tritiya. Okay. Moksha is by jnanam. How do you translate? You have read in the mokshaha bhavati. Katam bhavati? Jnanena. Jnanam is a means. Means when you say karana. Right? Karana. That is a means. Sadhanam. Karanam. Jnanena, jnana sadhanena, mokshaha sambhavati. Not by karma. Natu karmana. Tritiya bhakti again. Not by karma. Karmana we are not studying. Karman shabda. Nakaranta shabda. So what I am saying is, this understand the sentences, each sentence clearly. Mokshaha sambhavati, jnanena sambhavati, jnana sadhanena sambhavati. Even pramanam when we say it is karana. Shastram is a pramanam. It is karanam. It is a means. That's why it's called karanam, pramanam. Pramakaranam, pramanam. Karaka knowledge is very important. So you ask question in Samskritam, get the answer. I've already told you, if it is karta, you ask kaha. I'm just saying for pullinga. And karma,
Just slowly, we will note. Karta is kaha.
Kaha, karma is kim, and karana is kena, and sampradana kasmai, panchami, kasmat, apadana, kutra, kasmin or kutra. Tritiya vibhakti you can ask kena or katam. Kena or katam. How? You can ask.
And katam is applicable.
Huh?
Katam is for every gender, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not way for every gender.
Kena is.
Yes, Kena is for Pullinga, you have to write appropriately for other lingas. Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Kutra is Saptami Vibhakti, common for all the lingas. Kasmin I am saying, if it is Strilinga, Kasyam, if it is Napumsakalinga, Kasmin. You can ask question like this, you will get the answer.
Sharanji, in this lesson, we have two verbs, Udgatayati
Opens.
and Shikshayati.
Yes, both are 10th Gana Dhatu.
So Shikshati is the dhatu is Shiksh.
Shikshati is learning. Shikshayati is causing to learn. That is
So what is
teaching.
So the dhatu is what? Shiksh.
Shiksh. dhatu.
And second gana or first gana?
This is in 10th gana. Shikshayati is in 10th gana. Okay.
And udgatayati?
10th gana.
But the dhatu is what?
Ut plus ghat dhatu is there. Ghata dhatu is there. In 10th gana, ghata dhatu is there with ut upasarga becomes udgatayati. Now you understand the kriya pada. Okay, we will do 10th gana. Already we have done first gana, 4th gana. Lot of verbs are given. You need to know, remember the meaning. Right? So any other questions? So next lesson we will do 30th lesson tomorrow. Before you come, you can just go through the lessons. Right? First sentence I am just saying. Nakshatrani kada prakashante. Now analyze the sentence. Like that you do for each sentence. Ask question. Prakashante. How will you ask the question? Kani prakashante. What shines? Then kada is there. When? That is also adhikarana. Locus in terms of time. Adhikarana need not be place. It can be in time also. So you can write Surendraji, kada or putra, saptami vibhakti. If it is time, you have to ask kada. If it is place, you have to ask kutra. If it is related to some objects, like morning Swamiji said, no? In the sense of, remember? Bhu sattayam, that is what I told, translated and gave. Bhu in the sense of, that is all saptami. So, prakashante, nakshatrani prakashante, kada prakashante, when does it shine? The answer expected is in adhikarana. Time, in terms of time. And we will see what it is tomorrow, right? Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. You just practice for 10 days asking questions only in Samskritam. You will understand. Every mantra you will understand. Gita also I am saying. Just Gita, when you have studied, that's what I am saying. Viveka Chudamani also, because the shloka is so big, don't be threatened by that. So simple. You have split that into simple sentences. You'll connect it by karaka. Sentence having only one karaka. Just form like that. Then join everything. Become simple. Dhanyavadaha.